Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to restart program using Type 2 method. Before proceeding to restart procedure, ensure Z-axis is taken to reference position. Press monitor button. Switch to auto mode. Press restart soft key. Press Type 2 soft key. Enter the sequence or block number where the program was interrupted. Press input soft key. Wait until restart search completed message appears. Now restart search is completed. Then press MSTB history. Place the cursor over RPM and press input. Then place the cursor over M03 and press input. Then place the cursor over M08 and press input. You can see that spindle and coolant is on now. Then press cycle start. You can see that program starts running from the searched position. Thank you for watching the video.